Hello, it's BrickBros UK and we have some news we thought all you Mixel fans would like to hear. And this came about from one of our YouTube fans, TF Hunt Productions, who's a huge Mixel fan like us. So we first must thank him for doing some detective work because he messaged us on Facebook after he emailed the LEGO customer service about the Mixels coming to an end after Series 9 and showed us the email. And what LEGO customer service said was very surprising and good news which we felt was worth sharing with you guys. Because they said even though the show ended, I'm happy to say there's been no announcement at the end of the Mixels series. So from this email TF Hunt Productions got, it would seem the LEGO Mixels series won't be ending yet, and we believe the rumours started just because the show stopped on Cartoon Network and people must have put 2 and 2 together. So after reading this email, we thought it was a good idea to send our own email to LEGO customer service to try and clarify their stance on Mixels or try to get more information. And after a few days we received a reply which basically said if we skip through it regarding this series being the last, at the moment this is something that is speculation, so it proves again the ending rumour is not true. And then the email goes on to say our design team are always thinking of new concepts and ideas, so we could see exciting features and more in the future. And for now, I would say to keep an eye out for Mixels series and toys and mostly importantly, enjoy it, which we definitely will. So they are working on more Mixels, but we assume if they're not working with Cartoon Network, they might need to change their style a bit. Or they might need to change the name, but who knows yet. However, both emails are very encouraging news. But don't forget, this isn't confirmed, so we could be wrong, but we felt all you fans who were sad about the ending rumours deserve to know what LEGO's thoughts were on the situation, and it would seem a lot brighter for Mixels. And we hope with our fingers crossed a Series 10 will be coming out in the near future. And that's all the news we have, and don't forget to check out our channel for the latest LEGO news and like, comment and subscribe to BrickBros UK.